This is a quick video comparing the new Excel agent to ChatGPT. I'm purely doing this because I'm about to create some dummy data for my next video, and I just wanted to check out what all the fuss was about with Excel agent and could it help me create the content I need. And then I'm going to compare against ChatGPT, see which is more useful. So let's go. I haven't seen anybody else's videos on Excel agents. I've seen lots of people raving about it, so I'm interested to see what it can do. So what you need is Copilot license, that's required, and Excel Labs. So you've got to go into Addins, and this is in the browser only version of Excel currently. So you go to Addins, search for Excel Labs, and then once you can turn it on, you get this. I love advanced formula environment, by the way. Awesome for complex formulas and lambdas and things, brilliant. And debugging formulas. Agent mode. Okay, here we go, agent mode. So here's what I want to do. I want to create a sample table of real movies and things. So I'm going to paste that in here, and it's basically got to have a list of different dates, different rows of different movies, different showing times, that sort of thing. Okay. All right, let's send that off to agent mode. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm going to bring up ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to paste the same prompt in and send that off. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, cool. We've got some 3D movies. We've got different movies on the same day showing at different times. It's pretty much what I need. Great. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that and go over to an Excel file. Okay, I'll actually go into the one where the agent's running. Come over here and just paste that data in. Beautiful. Job done. ChatGPT. Agent mode still going, so I'm going to pause recording and I'll come back when it's actually created it. Just note the time now is 12:26. Okay. Still going. It's now 12:29. All right, I'm back. Still going. Now 12:32. So I'm actually going to try and stop this. So I'm assuming I can just close it. All right. So that's my experience. Not great, right? Okay, but I've seen people raving about it. So can I do something like, I don't know, let's add conditional formatting to this column. So let's give that a go. Oh, is it still going? How do I, oh, stop, maybe, stop, okay. New chat, okay. Describe what you like to create or edit. Add conditional formatting to screen column to flag 3D movies. Okay, off it goes. Let's have a look what it does here. $12:33. Maybe just the system's down when I'm recording this, but you only get a couple of goes to lose people's confidence and trusts in the system. I'm burning through some LLM here, using up compute power, etc. It's not costing me any more with Copilot and Excel, but I do have to pay for this feature. I'll come back and do another video another day, but this is my initial experience with Excel agents. Not good.